Mechanics, waves and optics. We have done some of the preparation at first, which we first of all pour some water into the water rocket bottle. The water is needed into the water rocket bottle is to stabilize the bottle so that it does not go out of the aim which we have pointed to, and moreover the water keeps the bottle from exploding when high pressure is exerted onto it into the bottle. And now we are trying to insert the cork into the bottle actually, so that we can pump in the air. We are trying our best to insert the cork because it's so tight and very hard to insert it. It's actually very tight, so we need four hands to insert the cork into the bottle because it's too tight. And the cork is from the other bottle, which you can see at the side of it, the green color. This bottle is just for experiment, so that we used. Now we have done inserting the cork into the bottle. Now this is the first attempt that we have done, which we prepare the place for it and aimed. Now Satish is pumping the air into the bottle. As you can see some of the air pumped into you can see the air pumped into the bottle as a bubbles. Now it is been launched actually. You can see it explodes, and the water, you can see the water way. It exploded and went to the tree actually, as it went off the point which we have aimed actually at. And now we have done it. Now we gone to the second attempt, which Azwan is pumping the air into the bottle, and now it had exploded. You can see the way how fast it exploded. That's why we slow down the video so that we can see how it goes by the explosion. Now this is the third attempt which we have done as final. This one we done it with the original cork pair with bottle, so that we can see the perfect result with higher force, higher pressure. Same amount of water is poured into this bottle and the just now's bottle, and the corks fit perfectly into this bottle. So now Azwan is pumping the air into the bottle with his whole strength. It was so hard to pump the air into the bottle, and now you can see is the explosion of the bottle is so high. It went so high to the tree, near to the tree. It didn't hit the tree. Actually, we aimed near to the tree. It went perfectly, and it's very far. Actually, you can see the difference with the just now first attempt and second attempt. This third attempt is the best, as we got the result. Thank you. That's all. The end. You can kill me, you thought you could get away, but you never gonna get away.